Peanut butter for muscle growth. Who searches this stuff? Anyway, you do, and I'll try my best to help you. As you probably already know, peanut butter is a very high calorie food source that's fairly easy to consume. It delivers around 600 calories per 100 grams. On top of that, it's a great source of good fats, monounsaturated fats in particular, and also it provides protein, carbs and fibre. All of that in that order of scale. Often when people provide information on fat or protein or carb content, they express it as a number of grams per 100 grams of product. So someone may say peanut butter is high in protein because it delivers 26.3 grams of protein per 100 grams, which is true, but it skews the picture a little bit. This makes peanut butter sound like it's higher protein than it actually is. A true reflection of nutritional values is when they're reflected as a percentage of calories of that foodstuff. So in the case of peanut butter, it provides almost 72% fat, almost 8% carbs, and just over 17% protein. By the way, if you want to calculate nutritional values as a percentage of overall calories on other foods, the rule is to take the per 100 grams or per whatever value, as long as it's consistent across the values you calculate. And with fat, you times it by 9 because each gram of fat provides 9 calories. Then divide your answer by the calorie amount. So for example, if a product has 500 calories per 100 grams and 30 grams of fat, you times 30 by 9, so 270, then divide 270 by 500, which equals 0.54. Expressed as a percentage of a whole number, 1, this is 54%. So that product would deliver 54% of calories in the form of fat. With protein and carbs, each gram provides the caloric equivalent of 4. So you times these figures by 4 in turn and then divide by the calorie value of the same volume of product. Anyway, I digress. Reverting back to the peanut butter example, we can see that it's primarily a provider of fats. A whopping 72% of calories consists of fat, followed by 17% protein and 8% carbs. So when people say peanut butter is a high protein food, they might be right in terms of looking purely at the real amount of protein it delivers per 100 grams. 26 grams of protein per 100 grams sounds like a good high protein food. But in relation to the actual calories it delivers and what these calories consist of in relative terms to fat, peanut butter is not high protein, it's high fat. And because fat is the most calorific macronutrient, this explains why peanut butter is such a high calorie food too. So let's revert back to the question of, is peanut butter good for muscle growth? Well, one of the core rules for achieving muscle growth is to be consuming more calories than you're burning. It definitely helps to tick this box. So if you're looking to bulk up and build muscle, it can be a very helpful tool to keep your calorie intake high and remain in a calorie surplus or anabolic state. But be warned, it's very high fat and very high calorie. Too much peanut butter in your diet will no doubt lead to fat gain alongside your muscle gains. So in summary, used in moderation as part of a high protein, high calorie bulking diet, peanut butter can be a useful tool in achieving muscle growth, but don't overdo it. And don't listen to the people who tell you that peanut butter is high protein. It really isn't. It's high fat and high calorie. So use it wisely as part of your overall diet to avoid excess fat gain. I hope you found this video helpful, and for reference, the nutritional information on which I base this video was taken from Pippa Nut's Higher Lake peanut butter. Nutritional values do differ from peanut butter to peanut butter, especially ones that add sugar or palm oil. Pippa Nut do not. It's pure peanuts and a little pinch of sea salt. We offer Pippa Nut peanut butter in 1 kilogram tubs and smaller jars, and it really is one of the best tasting, purest peanut butters around. I highly recommend it. You can find a link to the product in the description of this video below. Please go ahead and subscribe by clicking the button below this video, and when you do, remember to also hit the bell symbol afterwards so you receive notifications for new health and wellness videos that we post. Thanks for watching.